I call on Asian Forum for Human Rights and Development.
Mr. President, Forum Asia expresses concern over the deteriorating human rights situation in several Asian countries. In Thailand, despite the military government's claim of a benchmark roadmap towards democracy, suppression of dissent is ongoing. The arrest of pro-democracy activists and the judicial harassment of HRC31, a human rights lawyer, are clear examples. We urge Thailand to immediately end all arbitrary arrests, incommunicado detentions in military compound, and civilian trials in military court. The government should further allow open debate on the draft constitution to ensure transparent and public participation. In Maldives, we call your attention to the criminalization of political dissent. Many political opponents are already either behind bars or in exile. In February, opposition leader Sheikh Imran Abdullah was sentenced to 12 years in prison on trumped-up charges under the Anti-Terrorism Act. Moreover, broad and vague provision in the new Anti-Terrorism Act enacted in October 2015 add to our concerns. We reiterate our call for the review or repeal of all regressive legislation, including the Anti-Terrorism Act and Freedom of People Act. In Malaysia, democratic space continues to be limited. The government blocked access to the online news portal Malaysian Insider last week because of critical coverage on corruption linked to the government. In February 2016, the High Court upheld the ruling that Adam Adli, the student activist, was guilty of sedition. We urge the government of Malaysia to drop all charges against human rights defenders, oppositions and activists, and repeal all regressive laws such as Sedition Act and Peaceful Assembly Act. Lastly, we are gravely concerned by targeted attacks and killings of online activists and publishers in Bangladesh. We urge the government to protect freedom of expression in the context of religion for all individuals and all communities. I thank you.